Hello friends, welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to talk about the different entry types of a breakout strategy. So before we go into more details, let's do a little bit of top-down analysis on the gold chart. So we are on the daily chart, and on the daily chart, we can see that we have the last candle close bearish, and at the same time, we can see that we have a support right here. So we have the room for the daily candles to come down. And on the 4-hour charts, we can see that the 4-hour candles are coming down. So as you can see, these candles are coming down, and we have a support right here. So on the 30-minute chart, we can see that the price is currently making lower lows and lower highs. We have the low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and as you can see, the price created a low, which is also a support. So as we can see here, this is the low and created by the price, and this is also a support. At the same time, we can see that we have a support right here. So basically, we have the room for the price to come down to this support area and maybe to this support area. Right now, the first entry type is going to be the impulse entry type, where we do not wait for the 30-minute to 1 hour candle to close below the support. Now this is a 30-minute support. Now also let's check what is the support on the 1 hour. So we can see that the 1 hour support is the same as the 30-minute support. So basically, the first entry type is where we do not wait for the candle to close below the support, right? So in this scenario, suppose we we have the price coming down. So as soon as we break the previous low created by the price in this downtrend, we take our entry, and the target is going to be the same. As we can see on the left hand side, we have a clean range on the left hand side, and this one is the support. So once we break this low, we anticipate the price to come down to this support area during a high volume time. So the next entry type, we wait for the candles to close below the support. So whether it's a 30-minute chart or 1 hour chart, we wait for a 30-minute or 1 hour candle to close below the support. Once we get the candle close below the support, we wait for the next candle to open up, let it make a top wick, and once it start breaking the low of the previous candle, we take our entry. And the target is going to be the same as we can see on the left hand side, and the stop loss will go above the current candle high, because once we break the low of the previous candle, we do not anticipate the price to break the high of the current candles. Now on the third entry type, we already have the candle close below the support, but as we are waiting for the new candle to break the low of the previous candle, this new candle doesn't break the low of the previous candle, and it closes bullish, right? It closes bullish with a top wick, and it should not break the high of the previous candle. Now in this scenario, we have a bullish candle closing below this resistance, but it did not break the low of the previous candle. In this situation and scenario, we wait for the next candle to open up, and this new candle should not break the high of the previous candle, and once it start breaking the low of the previous candle, we take our entry. The target is going to be the same as we can see on the left hand side. Once we break the low of the previous candle, we anticipate the price to go down to the next support area, which is right here. In the next entry type, we already have a candle close below the support, and now we want the next candle to open up and let it make a top wick, and once it start flipping, we take our entry. We are not waiting for the price to break the low of the previous candle, but we take our entry once we start flipping bearish, and the target is going to be the same as you can see on the left hand side, right? The stop loss in this case is going to be above the current candle high, right? It can be better if you keep it above the previous candle high. So that's it, guys. These were the different entry types on a breakout strategy. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you really did like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel in order to support the channel and YouTube algorithm. Thank you very much. See you in another video.